Allow yourself to relax. Give yourself permission to be fully activated by the divine source, with the divine perception, and all the glands in your body to be fully aligned with your higher self. Breathing in into your abdomen, expanding the abdomen as you breathe in, contrasting the abdomen as you breathe out. Allow your breath out to be slower than the breath in, bringing the focus between your eyebrows and your nose where they meet together. Slowly breathing out. Continue breathing slowly. Gently, as you breathe out, see a bubble of light in the center of your mind. As you breathe out, you'll feel that bubble of light expanding through the center of your mind, through your skull, beyond your physical body. Feel that bubble expanding into your auric field. Perfect egg-shaped energy expanding 3 to 6 feet around you. Still holding the focus between your eyebrows. As you bring awareness between your eyebrows, you're going to visualize a white light in front of your third eye. As you breathe in, you're going to see the white light, visualize it, sense it, perceive it with your imagination. As you breathe in, you see the white light entering into your third eye. As you slowly breathe out, you see the white light expanding out from your third eye. Stay focused and synchronize the movement with your breath. Every breath in, feel the light going deeper into the center of your mind. This activates your pituitary gland, balances it, activates all the hormonal channels within the body. Gently bring awareness to your pineal gland in the back. You're going to see a white light there as well. You're going to synchronize the movement with your breath. As you breathe in, see the white light entering in the back of your head, spiraling in through your pineal, into the center of your mind, into the hypothalamus. As you breathe out, you see that light spiraling out into the space behind you. Continue breathing slowly, and now visualize the white light from the back entering through your pineal, through your hypothalamus, through your pituitary in the front, and out in front of you. About 6 to 9 inches in front of you. Synchronize the movement with your breath, breathing in through the pituitary, through the back of the head, out through the pineal and back and forth. See that light flowing through the center of your mind, through you. Continue to visualize the light going back and forth. The pituitary balances the physical body, and the pineal activates the astral body into the physical. Tube of light now becomes solid, and it becomes wider, about 1 inch wide. Now that the horizontal light is established, we're going to activate the vertical light. Bring awareness about 6 inches above you. You're going to see a white light entering through the center of your mind as you breathe in, down to your heart. As you breathe out, you're going to see that white light rise up 6 to 9 inches above you. Synchronize the movement with your breath. This energy creates clarity and allows the higher mind to flow through the physical mind into the heart. expand the light. You're going to see the light going horizontal and vertical. Now gently, as you are in this open space of receiving information, ask your higher self anything that arises inside of you to know, to see, to experience in the highest good of your soul's development. As you gently come back to yourself, feeling the pulsation between your eyebrows and how your third eye is fully activated, carry on with your day to perceive through the higher realms of your soul's eye as two become one.